In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a Confluence page, a task that's essential for keeping your workspace organized and up to date. Confluence is a collaboration tool that helps teams work together more effectively by sharing knowledge and collaborating on projects. Whether you're updating a procedure, adding new information, or simply revising existing content, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, start on your Confluence homepage. This is your central hub where you can access all your spaces and pages, so it's important to navigate here to get started. If you're not already on the homepage, you can usually get back there by clicking the Confluence logo or the home icon located in the navigation menu. Once you're on this familiar ground, look for the section labeled Spaces. Your next task is to choose the space relevant to the content you want to update. Each space in Confluence serves as a container for related pages and serves a particular team or project. You should select the space that contains the page you wish to edit. You can often find your spaces listed on the left sidebar or by using the search tool if your list of spaces is extensive. Within your chosen space, it's time to select the specific page you wish to update. This step is crucial as it ensures you're editing the correct content. Browse the list of pages within the space, or use the search bar at the top of your screen to find the page quickly. Once located, click on the page link to open it. With your desired page open, look for the Edit option. This is typically located at the top right of the page. Clicking Edit will transform the page into an editable state. Here, you can make all necessary changes, whether it's updating text, adding new information, or modifying existing content. Remember, clarity and accuracy are key. As you edit, make sure the information remains clear and concise. Once you've completed your changes, find the Update button, which should be visible at the top or bottom of the editing interface. Clicking Update saves your changes, making them visible to anyone who has access to that page. It's a good practice to review your edits before hitting Update to ensure everything looks perfect. These simple steps will help you keep your Confluence pages fresh and accurate, fostering better collaboration and communication within your team. Keeping your information up to date is not just about accuracy, but also about efficiency, making sure everyone has access to the latest updates at their fingertips. With this guide, updating a Confluence page will become second nature.